Skies now has new drawing tools. In addition to freehand drawing, you can now draw lines, arrows, rectangles, circles, and even grids. Here are some tips. If you hold down the Shift key while drawing a line, you can make perfectly vertical and perfectly horizontal lines. If you hold down the Shift key while drawing a rectangle, you can make perfect squares. And if you hold down the Shift key while drawing grids, you can make perfectly square grids. Another tip, if you draw a shape and you click, 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 you can repeat the shape as many times as you like. This is great for doing things like making and filling out 10 frames. Let's say I have a 5x2 grid, square, that's a 10 frame. And students or teachers can go ahead and draw these dots and click, 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 click to fill them out. So here's 7 as a 10 frame. This is also great for doing things like drawing coordinate grids. Let's say I want a 20x20 in a nice thin blue line. I can go ahead and do this. And then I can go ahead and draw the y-axis and the x-axis. And then students can go ahead and annotate this, if they like, to draw a line with a certain y-intercept. Finally, we have this shape here, which is a dotted rectangle, and that's really useful for doing things like making draggables. So if I go ahead and make a 4x1, you see we now have this dotted rectangle grid, and I can do things like add letters. A, B, C, D. And if I save this, it becomes a little draggable. So if students go ahead and annotate this, they would be able to, using the hand, move these around into the right order. A, B, C, D. That's it. Hope this is useful.